Hey, it's David. Welcome or welcome back to Cross Fitness, helping men and women get in the best spiritual shape in their lives, one workout at a time. Okay, quick thought here in this video that I'm calling How to Make Waiting Helpful, Not Hurtful. Okay, who likes to wait? We don't like to wait. You know, most of us watching this are American citizens dealing with first world problems. We don't want to wait on the microwave. We don't want to wait through the to-go line. We don't want to wait on, slow, high-speed internet. Whenever our iPad is spooling during streaming a video, it's like, okay, I get that. I'm all caught up in that as well myself. But, waiting is not something that is, a super big problem that we just need to lament over and grieve over and say, oh man, I want it to be the end and not the beginning, So here's a verse here's a word that may help you and a verse that may help you. Here's the word. The word is reframe. Reframe. Change the way you think about waiting. And the verse is Isaiah 40, verse 31. That says, they that wait upon the Lord shall, now watch this, renew their strength. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They will mount up with wings as eagles. They'll run and not grow weary. They'll walk and not faint. That is a counterintuitive, countercultural verse right there. And if you take it by faith and incorporate it into your everyday, then, what if we were to convert the waiting times into spiritual bodybuilding times and say, okay, I'm in traffic. I'm in the longest line at Walmart. Okay, is there something you want to say? I'm listening. Maybe you can convert that into some positive things. You could send a text. You could make a call. You can, get a little bit of that podcast in you, listen to some worship music or something positive, constructive, fruitful, productive, right? So I'm just saying, if we reframe waiting, it can be helpful and not hurtful. It can be a blessing and not a burden, okay? And that verse, Isaiah 40:31, which is the word of the Lord, they that wait upon the Lord, okay? So when you're in that long line, traffic, at the store, and say, Lord, okay, I'm just going to convert this time into waiting on you a little bit. Just be quiet yourself down, fix your eyes on Jesus, tune into these spontaneous thoughts that are bubbling up from your spirit. And maybe the Lord will speak to you right there on that line. Maybe it'll open your eyes to see something you've not seen, or your ears to hear something you've not heard, maybe even the Spirit, okay? Just a thought. That's what we want to do. We want to convert waiting into helpful and not hurtful, okay? So I hope that encourages you a little bit. For now, I'm David, your virtual mentor, to remind you that I'm always for you. I am never against you. I hope you have a great day. See you later.